Welcome back to What Are the Possibilities in Your Pocket Change, your YouTube destination for coin collecting basics and numismatics of the 21st century. In today's video, we'll take a look at the commemorative coin programs from 2018. Let's dive in. Did you know the United States Mint produced a gold coin with 85% gold? In 2018, the Mint would have two different commemorative coin programs, the World War I Centennial and Breast Cancer Awareness. Both of these coin programs would seek participation from the public through a design competition. The winner would receive $10,000 and their initials on the coin. There have only been a handful of open design competitions in modern history in which the Mint has called upon the public to submit designs for a coin. The World War I Centennial coin program would see only a silver dollar in proof and uncirculated, with a mintage of 350,000 across all product options. The winning design from a public competition was created by Leroy Transfeld of Orem, Utah. The obverse design, titled Soldier's Charge, depicts an almost stone-like soldier gripping a rifle. Barbed wire twines are featured in the lower right-hand side of the coin. The wire design element continues onto the reverse, titled Poppies in the Wire, and features abstract poppies mixed in with barbed wire. The designer was paid $10,000, and his initials are on the obverse and reverse of the coin. As part of this program, the Mint would offer 5 different Centennial silver dollar and metal sets. Each of these sets would contain a proof silver dollar and a proof medal from one of the 5 branches of the military. The Mint would limit these sets to 100,000 units across all 5 options, and they could only be ordered between January 17th, 2018 and February 20th, 2018. Production was limited to the orders received within this window. Now, let's dive a little deeper and take a look at each of these sets. The Centennial Silver Dollar and Army Medal set would contain a proof Army medal from the West Point Mint. The obverse of this medal would depict a soldier cutting through German barbed wire, while a second soldier aims a rifle amid a shattered landscape of broken trees and cratered earth. A shell explodes in the distance. The reverse of this medal would feature the United States Army emblem, which was also in use during World War I, and the inscriptions "Over There," "Centennial of World War I," 2018, and United States Army. This coin and medal set would have a mintage of 15,621. The Centennial Silver Dollar and Marine Corps medal set would contain a proof Marine Corps medal from the San Francisco Mint. The obverse of this medal depicts the aftermath of the Battle of Belleau Wood. One Marine stands guard as the other kneels to pay respect to the fallen. The inscription, "Woods Now, U.S. Marine Corps Entirely," quotes a report to the American Expeditionary Forces. The reverse of the medal features the World War I era version of the eagle, globe, and anchor emblem, with the inscriptions "Centennial of World War I, 2018, Over There," and "Battle of Belleau Wood." This coin and medal set would have a mintage of 12,648. The Centennial Silver Dollar and Navy medal set would feature a proof medal from the Philadelphia Mint. The obverse design on this medal depicts a U.S. Navy destroyer on escort duty after deploying a depth charge in defense of a convoy. Above the destroyer, kite balloons provide Navy personnel a platform to spot submarines and other dangers. The inscription "Over There" appears at the bottom of the design. Because there was no official seal for the Navy in World War I, the reverse design would feature an officer's cap device used in World War I. The inscription "United States Navy, 2018 and Centennial of World War I" would appear on the reverse. This coin and metal set would have a mintage of 12,253. The Centennial Silver Dollar and Air Service Medal set would feature a proof medal from the Denver Mint. The obverse of this medal would depict a SPAD 13 viewed from the top and the side. This was a World War I fighter flown by many Americans and valued for its speed, strength, and firepower. The inscription SPAD 13 identifies the aircraft. The reverse of the medal features the military aviator insignia and inscriptions "Centennial of World War I, 2018, Over There, Air Service, and American Expeditionary Forces." This coin and metal set would have a mintage of 12,520. The Centennial Silver Dollar and Coast Guard medal set, which had the lowest mintage of the 5 sets, would feature a proof medal from the Philadelphia Mint. The obverse of this medal depicts a lifeboat from the Coast Guard cutter USCGC Seneca, heading out in heavy seas towards the torpedoed steamship Wellington. The reverse would feature the World War I era Coast Guard emblem and the inscriptions "Centennial of World War I, 2018, and Over There." This coin and metal set would have a mintage of 9,813. These silver medals were struck on the same 90% silver planchets that were used for the Centennial Silver Dollars. The individual proof coins, combined with the coin and metal sets, would have a mintage of 127,837. And the uncirculated silver dollars would have a mintage of 22,336. The second commemorative coin program of the year was for breast cancer awareness. This program would include a clad half dollar, a silver dollar, and the first and only rose gold or pink gold $5 commemorative produced by the United States Mint. The winning design, chosen from a national competition, was created by Emily Damstra, a member of the United States Mint's Artistic Infusion Program. She was paid $10,000, and her initials appear on the obverse and the reverse of the coins. All 3 denominations would share the same design. The obverse design features 2 women. The older woman has her hands on her chest and a relieved expression on her face. The younger woman, with a scarf on her head, has one hand over her chest and the other raised in a fist as if she is ready to fight. A butterfly flies above the 2 women. There is also an image of a breast cancer awareness ribbon and the inscriptions "Liberty, 2018, and In God We Trust." The reverse design features a tiger swallowtail butterfly in flight, a symbol of hope, and the inscriptions "United States of America, E Pluribus Unum, Breast Cancer Awareness," and the respective denomination of each coin. As part of this program, the Mint would release a special coin and stamp set. Mounted in a folder with important facts about breast cancer, this set contained a proof clad half dollar and a 2014 first-class stamp. The stamp features an illustration of a mythical goddess of the hunt by Whitney Sherman, and the phrases "Fund the Fight" and "Find a Cure." Members of the Certified Collectors Group, NGC and ASG, would authenticate and certify the $50 and stamp from this set with special labels. This set had a mintage limit of 25,000, and the mint would produce 4,455. The star of the program was the first ever rose pink gold coin produced by the United States Mint. This gold coin had a composition of 85% gold, 14.6% copper, and the remaining balance in zinc, which would give this coin a pink hue. The Mint would produce proof and uncirculated versions of this $5 gold coin, and it remains the only time the Mint has used this composition on a gold coin. The proof coin would have a mintage of 10,386, and the uncirculated coin would have a mintage of 4,477. The $50 and silver dollars would have low mintages as well. The proof clad $50 would have a mintage of 22,392. The uncirculated clad $50 would have a mintage of 11,301. The proof silver dollar would have a mintage of 34,542. And the uncirculated silver dollar would have a mintage of 12,526. Certification companies would use special pink labels, cores, and inserts when certifying the coins from this program. The 2018 commemorative coin programs would honor two different fights. A fight for the freedom of humanity, symbolized by poppies in the wire, and a personal fight for hope, symbolized by the tiger swallowtail butterfly framed against a rose pink gold canvas. If you learned something, please like, comment, and subscribe. And always remember to ask yourself, what are the possibilities in your pocket change?